In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Odoo. If you're new to using Odoo or simply looking to streamline your purchasing process, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how we can efficiently create a purchase order step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Odoo website. This is where it all begins. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Odoo web address. Once you arrive on the homepage, you need to sign into your account. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Signing in is an essential first step as it ensures you have the necessary permissions and access to your company's purchasing operations. Once you're comfortably settled on your dashboard, it's time to focus on the Purchase app. You can find this app among the array of other applications displayed on your dashboard. Clicking on the Purchase app is like opening a gateway to managing all your purchasing activities within Odoo. Now, once you're in the Purchase app, your next move is to click on Orders, and from the drop-down menu, select Purchase Orders. This is the area where you can view all existing purchase orders and start creating new ones. It's essentially your purchase order hub in Odoo. We're now at the stage where it's time to introduce something new. Look to the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the New button. Clicking New allows you to initiate a brand new purchase order. It's quick, easy, and marks the beginning of your purchasing document. Next, you'll need to input some essential information. Start by selecting the vendor from whom you wish to purchase your items. This choice is crucial as it dictates the rest of your purchasing process. You'll also want to set a deadline or expected arrival date for your order. This helps both you and the vendor align on timelines. Then, it's time to enter the items you wish to purchase along with their respective costs. Be precise here, as accurate entries ensure your purchase order reflects actual business needs. With all that information in place, you've reached a decision-making point. You have a few options. You can choose to send the purchase order by email, print it as a request for quotation, also known as RFQ, or confirm the order if you're ready to proceed. Your choice here depends on your organizational protocols and vendor relationships. Finally, it's essential to follow through with the RFQ to purchase order flow. This process ensures that your order is tracked and managed from initial quotation to final purchase, providing a complete overview of the transaction from start to finish. And there you have it. We've just walked through creating a purchase order in Odoo. By following these steps, you can manage your purchasing efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.